Hi everyone and welcome to FMT Essentials. Today we will explore the best practices to ensure a smooth and successful migration using Cisco's Firewall migration tool. These best practices will assist you at every step of the way. Let's dive in. Let's divide the migration using FMT into three stages: before using FMT, while using FMT, and after using FMT. Here are the best practices before using FMT. Identify source and target devices. Start by identifying the source and target firewall models and their software versions. This ensures compatibility and avoids surprises during migration. This is the web page where you can find compatible hardware and software versions. You can scan this QR code or access it using the link in the description. Define migration scope. Decide whether you are migrating the full configuration, partial settings, or just policies. Clear scope definition is key. Engage stakeholders. Involve all relevant teams like network, security, and change management to align on goals and timelines. Document network topology. Map out your current network architecture. This will help you understand dependencies and plan effectively. Confirm maintenance window. Lock in tentative or fixed maintenance window to minimize disruption. Backup everything. Take a full configuration backup of the source firewall, including certificates, VPN keys, and any connect packages. Validate access and licenses. Ensure you have SSH, HTTPS, or console access to both firewalls and validate licenses on the target device. Health checks. Perform a health check on all devices to confirm they are ready for migration. Prepare the target firewall. Factory reset or clear existing configurations if required, and confirm the software version matches your plan. Next, let's look at the best practices while using FMT. So first, install the FMT tool. Download and install the latest version of the firewall migration tool. This is very essential. Validate its functionality before proceeding. Run a dry run migration. If possible, test the migration in a lab environment or use the FMT demo mode to identify potential issues. Also, go over the pre-migration instructions in the home page of Firewall Migration Tool. Freeze configuration changes. During migration, freeze changes on the source firewall. If changes are unavoidable, replicate them on the target firewall later. Finally, push configuration. Use the FMT tool to push the configuration to the target firewall. Now, let's look at the best practices after using FMT. Make sure to download the post-migration report from the FMT and contact TAC in case of any failures. Once the migration has completed, verify connectivity. Test basic connectivity using ping or traceroute to key IPs in the environment. Test VPNs and rules. Validate site-to-site and remote access VPN, access rules, NAT functionality, and logging. Review integrations. Check syslog, SNMP, NTP, DNS, and integration with monitoring tools. Make sure they are working as expected. Use Policy Analyzer and Optimizer. After verifying that connectivity is working as expected, we recommend you to optimize the access policies using the Policy Analyzer and Optimizer in Security Cloud Control. And finally, stakeholder communication. Inform stakeholders about the migration status and any post-migration steps. And that's it. By following these best practices, you can ensure a seamless migration with Cisco's Firewall Migration Tool. If you found this video helpful and want us to cover more such topics, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy migrating.